welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I hope you'll stick around and see our journey. In today's video, I'm actually going to do a planner video. I wanted to start incorporating these into my videos because planning is such a huge part of my life as a homeschool mama. And one of the things I did show you a few weeks ago was my cleaning schedule. If you did not check out my cleaning schedule, please, I'll leave a link down below and I will put a card up. You definitely want to see how I clean because I do homeschool and I do run some. I am a consultant for some businesses, so I'm pretty busy and I have to have lots of schedules. The one that I'm going to share with you today is actually my weekly meal planner and my meal plans for the week. So this is the home part of my happy planner. I do have little sections. If you missed my planner video, I can also leave a link down below for it as well. And in the home section is my cleaning schedule and then my meal planner. So because we stay at home and I'm a homeschool mama, I pretty much cook 3 meals a day for my kids. I plan breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I have to be pretty organized, and I grocery shop about once a week because the store that we shop at isn't local. So we actually have to drive to the grocery store, and it takes a good chunk of a day. So that's why it's so important for me to plan out everything for grocery shopping and cooking. So you'll see my little meal plans here. I'm just going to kind of walk you through what I have, and then I'll talk about how I plan out the week. This is like just substitutes if I'm missing something or forgot to pick something up. And then I have this meal ideas. And I did post this on Instagram a while back. So if you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen this before. If not, I can leave my Instagram link below if you would like to follow me. So I just have my meal ideas like chicken, pork, fish, no meat, and beef. I should have left more room because I didn't leave room for this to grow. And we're always trying new meals, so that wasn't very smart of me. But what I might do is just put them over here like new meals and then just do it again, chicken, beef, so forth, and I can always add in pages. The next sheet is called meal ingredients. This really helps me figure out what I need to buy at the grocery store. So let's say I decided I wanted to have I'll just do chili because it's first chili on Monday. Well, then I can look right here and write down everything I need for chili as a list of ingredients, and then I can go through my pantry and say, what don't I have? All right, let me write that on my shopping list. So this kind of just goes into my meal ingredients. Again, I have lots of meals, so you can see it's several pages long, and I can always add to this as well as I come up with new meals with the ingredients. The next sheet I made was breakfast ideas. So I don't always cook breakfast, but I do kind of do the same kind of meals pretty much weekly or similar meals weekly. So I just wrote down some ideas like cinnamon rolls, muffins, sausage biscuit, hash brown bacon, omelets, bagels, grits, waffles, bacon, boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, pancakes, fruit, cereal, and oatmeal. I just like having a list so that way I know what I need to pick up at the grocery store. I like to try to keep all these things on hand at all times. So that way when I plan out my weekly menu, I could be like, oh, Monday let's have scrambled eggs and bacon. Okay, Tuesday, let's do waffles with some fruit. Wednesday, let's have cinnamon rolls with some fruit. Thursday, let's have sausage biscuits. Friday, we're going to have boiled eggs, bacon, and grits. That's just an example, but that's kind of how I use that. And here's the same idea for my lunch ideas. Again, I kind of just write down a lot of our lunch ideas that we normally eat at lunch. Now, me and my husband are trying to eat healthier and wanting to lose weight, so me and him pretty much eat the same thing every day. We either eat a salad, a chicken wrap, or chicken salad. Or vegetable stir fry. Most of this other stuff is for my kids because they don't always want to eat what we eat for lunch. So this is the sections that I have and the organization that I've came out with to help me with meal planning. Now what I'm going to kind of walk you through is how I meal plan. So I try to think if I have anything going on that week. And this paper here, my husband actually made these lines and stuff so to help us with grocery shopping. And what I like to do is I like to use this section over here for just random things that I need at the grocery store, like dish detergent, laundry detergent, that kind of idea. Okay, so then what I like to do over here is I like to actually write it out for me by using these meals. So I'm just going to kind of walk you through a little bit, not very much. I just kind of wanted to show you how I do it. So like I would write Monday, and then I want to write breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I kind of use this side and then in the middle for my grocery list. And then I would write like Tuesday. I shouldn't have put a line up there. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Wednesday, same thing. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and so forth. Then what I do is I want to think about really what I want. So I really like this stew that I make. So I'm thinking about doing it for Monday. No, not for breakfast. For dinner. And because it's a big stew, I like to do leftovers. And I also like to think of what I have going on this week, because that's really important when planning. If I have like things going on, I am an independent consultant and I do virtual parties, so I know I have a virtual party Monday and Tuesday, so this will be something pretty easy. I could have the stew already going all day, that way it's done near the night, and then this day I would have leftovers. And then over here what I do is I just write stew, and then I write all the ingredients I need for the stew that I don't have on hand. So that's where I would come over here to this page, and I'll take it out. So I take it out and I'll just run through the list. I have the beef, I have the carrots, I have the cabbage, I have the celery, I have onions, but I need more onions because I use them for like everything. I have the corn, the diced tomatoes, the potatoes, the beef broth, the garlic, the tomato sauce, the Italian seasoning, flour, and milk. So I have everything, so I don't need anything for that list. So I don't need anything for Tuesday. Then I'll move on to Wednesday. So Wednesday, we really wanted to have some scallops and a lemon sauce. So what I do is I then go look for that recipe. Okay, so it's called creamy garlic butter Tuscan shrimp, but we're not going to have it with shrimp. We're going to have it with scallops, but it's pretty much the same thing. Actually, I don't want to do that one. I actually want to do the chicken with a lemon garlic cream sauce. I'm going to do this one instead, but it's not going to be chicken. We're going to do scallops because scallops taste wonderful with a lemon garlic cream sauce. So I'm going to write that down for Wednesday. With lemon cream sauce. Okay. And then over here, I'll then write that meal. And this meal does not have any leftovers because my kids love it. So then I'd write what I would need. So I know that I already have the scallops, I already have the garlic, I already have parsley, I already have basil, I'm already getting the onions, I already have the chicken broth, but I like to get one to replace. So I'm just going to put ×1. I need to get fresh lemons for the juice. Red pepper flakes I have, salt and pepper I have, olive oil I have, butter I have, heavy cream. I don't have heavy cream. And I don't know about linguine noodles, so I'm going to write it. And then I will take, and I'm going to put a question mark. That way I'll take this into the pantry in a minute and I'll look. If I have it, I'll erase it. And then, so that's just an example. So now I'm going to show you how I do breakfasts. So I'll put this back and I'll go over here. And I'll pull out and I'll try to think of what we have going on. So this day, we do have a little meetup this day that I do with some homeschool people. We have an outdoor thing that we're doing that day. So let me see what I can do for that day. That's easy. How about we'll just do cereal and oatmeal. That way they can choose which one they would prefer, cereal or oatmeal. They're both pretty quick. So this day, we'll have more time. We'll have nothing in the morning this day, so we'll do bacon and eggs. On Wednesday, we'll do sausage, biscuits. So then over here, I would just write breakfast, and then I would write everything I need for that week for breakfast. And this just kind of gives you an idea of how I plan it out. So then for lunch, same concept. I'll go over here and I'll say, oh, I want, Monday we are going to do sandwiches. That's for my boys. And then for me, I'm going to do the chicken wrap. They don't like the chicken wraps. I don't know why, they're delicious, but they don't. but they'll eat like peanut butter and banana sandwich, or they'll eat peanut butter and jelly, or ham and turkey. So I'll just make sure I have all those ingredients. And then on Tuesday, I want to do veggie stir fry, and they will eat that. So I just have to make a list, and then over here again I would write lunch, then I write all the things I need for lunch. Wednesday we'll do chicken salad and so forth. I hope this gives you a good idea of how I plan out my meals and how I grocery shop and how I use my little printables to plan everything out. And having all the meals planned out for the week is so helpful for our homeschool, because again, I think about what we have going on that day, and if I already know what I'm making for breakfast, lunch, then it's not me going, oh guys, well, you know, I have to do this and this and this. I can already have most of it prepped so I can spend more time homeschooling them. Same thing with the dinners. I like to go ahead and prep them so that I know what I have going on. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. Thanks for watching.